Hi everyone, I'm Kira from Magnetic Mobility, and today we're going to share our top 10 tips for sleeping better during the menopause. So up to 61% of women in Ireland are affected by poor sleep problems during the menopause. So this can have huge health impacts on you and on your mental well-being and things like that. So today our top 10 tips are starting right here. Number 1, exercise regularly. Exercise can reduce your anxiety and your stress levels and help you sleep better. Up to 30 minutes a day is recommended of cycling, swimming, walking, anything that gets the heart rate moving, that's what you want to do. Number 2, establish a nighttime routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can help regulate your body's sleep pattern. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or some gentle yoga can help you sleep better. Number 3, create a sleep-friendly environment. So create a dark, cool room where you can sleep better. Use things like bamboo sheets, bamboo pillowcases. Make sure that the room is comfortable for you to sleep in. Bamboo sheets are moisture wicking. They help regulate your body temperature at night, and they can be a very good investment. Number 4, try some menopause sleep supplements. Things like valerian root, magnesium, and melatonin can be very good to help sleep better. So check with your local pharmacist and see what kind of sleep supplements they recommend. Make sure to tell them if you're on any medication so that there's no interruption. Number 5, use one of our 4-in-1 magnetic bracelets. Our bracelets are designed to help you through the menopause better. So they have 4 different health elements in the back of them, one of them being negative ions. And negative ions help release serotonin. So that reduces your stress levels, but it also helps you sleep better. And you know yourself, if you sleep better, everything is easier to cope with. The 4 elements in the back of the bracelets are magnets to help with pain management. So when the menopause, you get a little bit of extra aches and pains. That's the estrogen leaving your body. So the magnets help to relieve some of that pain. We've got FIR elements, which help to increase the circulation and bring more oxygen and more nutrients around the body, which helps the body heal faster. And that also helps with pain and arthritis and all those creaky aches and pains that are just starting to niggle at you. And then we've got germanium, which is a natural element that also helps the body heal faster. So try one of our 4-in-1 magnetic bracelets and see if it helps you sleep better. We've had an awful lot of good results. Number 6, eat a balanced and healthy diet. A balanced, good diet can help with some of the menopause symptoms and help you feel better. So whole grain foods, fruits and vegetables. Avoid things that can cause things like hot flushes, spicy foods, caffeine, fatty foods, or acidic foods can all trigger hot flushes and night sweats, and you do not want them at night when you're trying to sleep. Number 7, reduce caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine can actually reduce your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep, so if you can, limit it or remove it altogether from your diet, especially in the evenings. Number 8, manage your stress levels. Stress reduces your ability to sleep, so things like meditation, deep breathing exercises, gentle yoga just before you go to sleep can help. Sometimes you may need to talk to a therapist or counselor about your stress levels. There's help out there, go and get it for yourself. Number 9, consider HRT. Hormone replacement therapy can be a very good option for helping with sleep and menopause symptoms. Talk to your GP and see if you're suitable for it. And lastly, number 10, use a sleep mask. Something like a bamboo eye mask can block light out, it's comfortable, and it helps you get a better night's sleep. It's a simple and effective way to help you sleep better at night with the menopause symptoms. So menopause is a natural transition, but it doesn't have to mean poor sleep. By implementing these top 10 tips and by using things like our 4-in-1 magnetic bracelets and bamboo sheets, you can help to promote a restful night's sleep for yourself. So if you really like this video, check out our website, magneticmobility.ie, smash the like button and subscribe so that you keep seeing more of these type of videos. I'm Kira and you've been watching Magnetic Mobility. Thanks a million.